Hey there, quick review and demonstration on this Black+Decker rechargeable screwdriver. I'll show you some of the key features. First off, this is rechargeable. You've got a charging port back here. It uses the charger that they send with the tool. Plug it in like so, plug it into the wall, and it has an LED light to indicate whenever you're fully charged or when it's charging. This is designed with a 3-position pivoting handle. You simply push the lock button right here, and the handle rotates into these 3 different positions. So if you're trying to get into certain tight to reach spaces, this straight on feature might be nice. Or if you want more of a pistol grip, you can adjust it like so and get your hand around it like this. This is a very, very basic screwdriver. There's not any speed adjustments. There's simply a forward and backward function, and you use the forward and backward up here by simply pushing all the way over. That activates the screwdriver. There aren't any speed adjustments or clutch adjustments. Up here you simply have a lock which will make so that whenever you slide this over, the tool won't activate. So if you got kids around or something like that, that might be handy. But unlocking it there. Looking up here at the chuck, really simple, just in or out design. There is no catch or anything like that. The bits just slide either in or out, and then there's a magnet on the back side here to keep the bits in place, but very easy to change bits in and out. So this little drill is definitely not a powerhouse, and it doesn't have a lot of bells or whistles, not many features, but might be nice to throw in a drawer in the kitchen for those at-home tasks. Also, it's a nice little drill. It might be nice for a gift idea, something like that. So it's definitely got its uses, not a heavy-duty tool by any means, but still probably has its place in certain applications.